in this guide, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up your marketing strategy through Instagram. So we'll be taking your Instagram workflow from just Instagram posting to TikTok, to Pinterest, to Snapchat, to YouTube Shorts, to Google Drive, and any other destination you probably are already using in your marketing strategy right now. So the reason I want to show you this is because for me personally, I'm going to be transitioning my marketing strategy from TikTok as my source content to Instagram as my source content. So if you haven't already, go ahead and connect all of your connections. You can just do that simply by adding a new connection, and then you want to add your TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Google Drive, your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat if you want to. Again, you don't have to, but those are all the sources, or the destinations and sources that I'm going to be using. So first we'll do create a new connection, and we're going to be creating a new connection from Instagram to TikTok. So we do create a new workflow. We do Instagram to TikTok personal, and you can name it whatever you want, but I like to just make sure that I know what the workflow means. And then you choose the source, where it says choose a source type. I want to do Instagram. And then you want to choose which account. And so I can just go to my account, and then you want to do type, and then it's going to be Reels. And then you click next. And so the action will be upload a video, right? And then you want to do full video. And you do next. And then so we want to choose the destination, and the destination is going to be TikTok. And then I click done. So that one is already done. And so now if I go over here, I can set it to manual, or I can set it to auto. So I like to have it on auto. So every time that I do a video on Instagram, within 2 hours, it will auto publish onto my TikTok account, which is awesome. And I can go to the settings here and just make sure that everything's correct. It's the original video. I don't really want an intro or an outro. I want it to auto publish within 2 hours. I don't really want to tamper with any of the videos containing hashtags. And so, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. And you can decide if you want to email notifications or not, but I'm just going to do save, and that one's good to go. So now we'll go back to create new workflow. So Instagram to TikTok is done. So now we're going to do Instagram to Pinterest. We'll do that one next. Personal, I'll just do personal, and we'll do next. So we'll choose a source. It will be Instagram again. And then I'll go back to my account, and then type will be Reels, and then it'll choose an action will be upload video, then the full video. It will choose a destination to be Pinterest, and then you can choose a board. We can just do let's do books you need for marketing, and then you can choose a folder if you want to make a new board, but I'm not going to do that, so I'll just do done. So while we're waiting here, and then again, I want this to be on auto, so I don't have to schedule anything, and so it'll be up within 2 hours. And so I can go to the cog here and make sure everything's okay. Here's some of the settings. So the style is no resizing, no intro or outro. So you can add custom text if you want to. I don't really want to do that. For me, I will. I highly recommend you putting a Pinterest link, because most of the time, whenever we're marketers, or you normally want to share something, like whether it's your homepage, whether it's an offer you have, you can put your Pinterest link on every single pin that you do. So that's one of my favorite things about Pinterest. But I don't have that ready for me right now, but I highly recommend it. And then all you do is press save. And there you have it. We have our Instagram to Pinterest done. So now we're going to go to create a new workflow. This one will be Instagram to LinkedIn personal. And then do next. And we'll choose a source. Will be Instagram, obviously. That's our source. And then you click on whichever one you want it to be, and it'll be my account. And then upload full video. And then the destination will be LinkedIn. And then I'm going to be having it on my personal feed. So you can either put it on your personal feed or your company feed. So you might want to make two different workflows with LinkedIn if you want to have it go to your personal feed and to your company page feed. So you can do both. I'm just going to have this be on my personal and then press done. And so normally I will have this on auto, but because LinkedIn is a little bit more professional, I actually might keep this to manual, which means that whenever I do want an Instagram video to go onto my LinkedIn, all I have to do is go to view content, and then I can schedule one, because not all of these are probably best for the, a more professional setting. So like if there's one I do like, then I'll just go to schedule, and then I can go ahead and schedule, what the post says, and then I can either publish it now, or I can hit schedule again, and I can choose the date and time. So, or if you don't care about any of that stuff, you can go back to your workflow and put Instagram to LinkedIn. You can put it on auto, so within 2 hours, whatever you post on Instagram will automatically go to your LinkedIn. That's totally fine as well. So now that LinkedIn is done, we'll go to Instagram to YouTube Shorts Personal. And then I'll click next, and then I'll go, the source will be Instagram again, and then click on the right account, and then the type will be Reels. And you want the action to be upload video and then full video. The destination will be YouTube. If I can find it, it's the first one on the top. And then you can choose a playlist if you want to. I could just do online shorts and then click done. So it's going to be creating it really fast. And so now YouTube or Instagram to YouTube Shorts Personal is ready, and I can I'm going to set that to automatic because I want it to publish from Instagram to YouTube Shorts automatically within 2 hours of me publishing it. And then so I'll click on the cog and just see if there's anything that I want to change. And so just going through the changes that from before, you can use hashtags as YouTube tags. We'll do that. And you can personalize the YouTube tags. That we just added this feature not too long ago. And so you can change the privacy, you can change the category. So what we'll do is how to and style. You can change the playlist. You can make a thumbnail if you have it from Facebook, and you can also do the subtitles if you want to. Because so YouTube, there's a little bit more options. You can change the default audio language and text language. So there's a lot of different things that you can kind of mess around with, but I'm just wanting to keep it a lot more simpler. So we're just going to go with save. So now we have, and again, I want this to be auto. So we have Instagram to YouTube, Instagram to Pinterest, Instagram to TikTok, and then I have Instagram to LinkedIn for whichever ones I choose. Now we'll do create a new workflow. We'll do Instagram we'll do this one to Snapchat. So if you didn't know, Snapchat does do like a Reels type. So you can definitely start building, an audience on Snapchat. Not all of them get accepted. It seems like they have some kind of terms. So just keep an eye out for that. So we want to choose our source type as Instagram, pick the right account, and then it'll be the Reels type. We want to do upload video, the full video. And then our destination will be my Snapchat. And then you can choose, which profile, and then you can select it, and it's going to be on Spotlight. So it's pretty much sure that there's only one type. Spotlight is kind of like the Reels, like I was saying. And then you press done. Now that workflow should be done where it goes from Instagram to Snapchat. Again, I want it to be automatic. I don't want to have to publish it anytime. So, and then I'll go to the cog from Instagram to Snapchat. Just make sure that all the settings, if I need to change anything, and they're pretty similar as to the other ones. So I'll just go ahead and do save. I'm not going to tamper with anything right now. And so now we have the 5 workflows going, and then we'll do create a new workflow. This one will be Google Drive. So it'll be Instagram to Google Drive. You can also do this with Dropbox if you want to. I use Google Drive instead though. The source will be Instagram again. And you want to choose the right account, and then you can do next. Choose an action will be upload the full video. Then the destination will be Google Drive. And then you can actually choose which folder. That's really up to you. I'm just going to leave it as blank right now. And then you can also make a new folder like Logan, Instagram. We'll just do that. We'll make a new folder on my Google Drive. So do create a new folder, or you can choose an existing one. And then you select done. So now every time that I do an Instagram reel, it's backed up automatically onto Google Drive. So I'm going to have it enable auto publish, click on settings. There's really nothing that needs to be changed. So go ahead and hit save. So now from one Instagram video it goes to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, LinkedIn if I choose to schedule it, and to my Google Drive. So let's just double check to make sure that there's nothing else that we're missing. So we'll do create a new workflow. Actually, we'll just go to connections and see, is there any platforms that we want to send Instagram Reels to? Oh yeah, Facebook. So we can send it to our Facebook pages as well. Yeah, and I think that'll be the last one. So we go to workflows, we go to create a new workflow. We go Instagram to Facebook page. You can also, side note is you can also send it to your Facebook group if you want to, which I don't really want to at this time. So we're going to do Instagram to Facebook page. And you're going to select a source type, and it'll be Instagram. Obviously, it'll be the right account. Type will be Reels. Choose an action will be upload video, full video. The destination will be Facebook. And then you can do choose a page. So right now it says, please reconnect this connection. And this is a good example of what might happen. So what you want to do is go to connections and see if there's anything that you need to reconnect. So it says right there, there's an issue with your Facebook connection. All workflows using the connections have been temporarily disabled. So you can click here to reconnect. So then what we want to do is right here is go to click to reconnect and just reconnect. It'll start to try to connect for you. And then it says success. So now I look back here and they're all active. So we'll go back to workflows and try it again. So this is a really good concept of what may happen if you have something weird pop up. So you don't have to be afraid. So we'll go back and create a new workflow. We'll do Instagram to Facebook page. And then so the source will be Instagram. And then you want the right account. And then it'll be your Reels. Below the video and it'll be full video. And we'll choose the destination as Facebook. And you want it to go to a Facebook page. And then you want to select which Facebook page. And so I'll just click on my Facebook page. So that means anytime that I upload an Instagram video, it will go to my Facebook page automatically, and then I'll hit done. And then for this one, I do want it to be automatic as well. So we'll just click on auto publish. So within 2 hours, it will be published onto my Facebook page. Click on the settings to make sure nothing's wonky. So here we go, video style, no intro, no outro. Within 2 hours, I don't really have to mess with any hashtags. And everything looks great. So there you have, within just 10 or 15 minutes, I was able to set up and put all my workflows together. Wanted to show you exactly how you can choose one source type, and within a short amount of time, you can have your entire marketing workflow ready to go. So now whenever I post an Instagram reel, it goes to 1, 2, potentially 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different places. So now Instagram plus 7 different places is 8 platforms with one Instagram reel. So hopefully you learned a little bit about how you can use Instagram Reels with repurpose.io. And I know that this will greatly benefit you and your business or your Instagram account. Thanks so much for watching this. I hope you have happy holidays. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check this video out as it will help you in your marketing strategy.